Today we'll talk about Guru Purnima. Guru Purnima occurs when sun and moon are exactly opposite each other. This phenomena is called the opposition. Sun and moon are exactly opposite at 180 degrees. Now this time sun is, the whole sunshine rays are on the moon and the moon illuminates. This is where we see the moon very clearly. And when we see the moon clearly, it also gives human that mental clarity. The vibrations are at peak because moon is at peak, right? So make and take advantage of this time for manifesting what you really want in your life, whether it's spiritual, whether it's mental, whether it's materialistic. Anything that you want should be focused upon during this time. Now that was the scientific fact why this day is important. Remember, if we talk about the elemental level, on elemental level, moon is the water element, Jupiter is the space element, and because Jupiter is transiting in the sign of Gemini, there is also the element of earth which is connected to Mercury. Now both Jupiter and Mercury are also associated with the direction northeast, which we know as Ishan Kon. So during this time, sit in the Ishan Kon. For the Vastu Dosh clearing, keep a yantra. If you have a Shri yantra, very good. If you don't have any yantra, just sit there, light a diya, and make sure to put 2 cloves in that diya. Um, because cloves are known to purify the environment, right? It gives you prosperity. So put 2 cloves in the north direction and then simply sit and meditate. If you can do moon meditation, even wonderful. Sit outside in the moon wearing white clothes, have a little bit of water, and then sit and meditate and try to have a clear mind and manifest whatever you want. The vibe, that's one. The other thing that you can do is you can donate yellow items like yellow flowers, saffron, or yellow pulses. But whenever you donate, make sure you're donating it to people who really need that. And your intention is very clear when you're donating those items. Many traditions also initiate their students into new mantras. So if you want to start something new, this is the time that you should start something new, as in something new in your spiritual progress. You will definitely feel that your spiritual progress is effortless when you start on Guru Purnima. All the best, and I hope Guru showers all its blessings onto you.